The US dollar and US indexes are heading into the final month of 2025 with more questions than answers and trading near critical levels. Now, just looking at the US dollar index, which is trading back below the 100 psychological level ahead of the FOMC meeting on December 10th. Market participants continue to price in a 90% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut at next week's Federal Reserve meeting. This according to the latest data from LSEG. Now, the dollar obviously, usually, if we look historically at seasonality during the month of December, the US dollar has historically struggled. Now, if you add that to the upcoming expectations of a rate cut and the potentials for a more dovish take from the Federal Reserve on its economic outlook for 2026, this doesn't look good for the US dollar and the US dollar index, which has already decreased significantly here in the early parts of December. So keep that in mind moving forward. Now, as for US indexes, we have seen a significant recovery by the likes of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 since the sell-off in November. Now, it is trading near all-time highs, and it will be interesting to see if during the month of December we do get the famed Santa rally, which usually occurs in the last few days before Christmas, as well as the period after Christmas heading towards the new year. If that does materialize, then the case for fresh all-time highs from US indexes might come back into play. So keep that in mind as the month progresses. Have a good one, trade safe, and I will catch you guys soon.